Imagine you are alone, surrounded by a dark, dense jungle. Even sunlight cannot reach the ground. You don't know what's ahead, but one thing is certain: you are not alone. Welcome to one of the most dangerous places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. The mystery of Amazon. The Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth, covering around 5.5 million square kilometers. It is so vast that even today, humans have not fully explored it. This jungle is not just big, it is alive. There are places here where even during the day, it feels like night. Because the trees are so dense that sunlight can barely touch the ground, and within this darkness lie thousands of unknown secrets. Scientists are still discovering new species every day. Which means there are countless things in this jungle that we still don't understand. Imagine walking through it, surrounded by creatures that you know nothing about. The harsh reality. The Amazon is not just mysterious, it is deadly. Every step you take could be your last. Under the trees, inside the water, even in the air. Danger is everywhere. To survive here, you don't just need strength, you need awareness and a bit of luck. The deadly creatures. Now let's take a look at some of the most terrifying inhabitants of this jungle. First, the Green Anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world. It can grow up to 30 feet long. It hides silently under the water and strikes without warning. You may never even realize when it's already too close. Next, the poison dart frog, small, colorful, even beautiful, but its skin contains a deadly toxin, enough to kill up to 10 humans. In this jungle, beautiful does not mean safe. Another terrifying creature, the piranha. They attack in groups, and within seconds, they can strip flesh off their prey. Imagine falling into that water. Then comes the Brazilian wandering spider, one of the most venomous spiders on Earth. A single bite can be life-threatening. And then, the jaguar, the apex predator of this jungle. So powerful, it can crush the skull of its prey. And finally, the bullet ant. Its sting feels like being shot. One of the most painful experiences in the world. In this jungle, even the smallest creature can be deadly. The truth. The Amazon rainforest is not just a jungle, it is a place where humans are visitors and nature is the true ruler. The rule here is simple: if you are not careful, you won't survive. But have you noticed something? No matter how dangerous this jungle is, humans keep coming back. Why? Because humans are curious. We seek the unknown. We challenge our fears. There was a time when climbing Mount Everest seemed impossible. Today, humans stand on its peak. There was a time when the ocean was terrifying. Today, we explore its deepest parts. So tell me, can this fear, this darkness, this mystery really stop us? Or Does it make us stronger? Maybe this is the true meaning of life. Where there is fear, there is an opportunity to conquer it, and those who overcome that fear are the ones who truly live.